For a normal conception, we all know that we need a normal semen count of 15 to 20 million. But is pregnancy possible with a sperm count of less than 2 million? Yes, it is possible with a wonderful technique of ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. We can select morphologically normal sperms and inject into the eggs of the female partner with a very good success rate.
Hagawai pat kaliang Menteri Rangba uliathu bagi sorkar jela kan sedang iakren bat kynhun bapher halor kejeng pentreka mega roster system Hadien juga kat santrek ujemang. Ulong bagi sorkar kadon jengmut ban khot ya barok ki dekhot jong ke MDA barok sengsan pertai ki kynhun seng balang kinong ilam niam namar kadai ke AKA ka bagi sengo barok ki de bane dan bentalang bat ban sung thu e barok ki jing shisha bat ulong bagani ke jing ilang kan long Hadien ka kat santrek ujemang.
So basically now government, we have been taking multiple presentations from the departments and the cabinet is going through all the details. Most likely post the 15th, we will be having within this month itself, as I had mentioned earlier also, that in the month of May, these discussions will start and we will invite everybody. So we intend to call all our MDA members, all the political parties, all the different civil society from all areas and other important stakeholders, religious leaders, because it's something that we feel that everybody should be involved in and must understand all the facts. So post the 15th of May, the series of meetings will start at the state level as well as at the district levels, wherever it's necessary, with as many stakeholders as possible. So within this month itself, post 15th, the engagement will start.